Legitimate applies are surveying a lawful update that filled in as the reason for Attorney General Bill Barr choosing to not charge then-President Donald Trump with deterrent of equity, and they are referring to it as trash, guileful, a all-out whitewash, and ass-covering. The notice, distributed Wednesday evening by The New York Times, is dated March 24, 2019. Lawful applies are investigating a legitimate update that filled in as the reason for Attorney General Bill Barr choosing to not charge then-President Donald Trump with hindrance of equity, and they are referring to it as trash, pretentious, a all-out whitewash, and ass-covering. The update, distributed Wednesday evening by The New York Times, is dated March 24, 2019. For the reasons expressed below, it peruses to some degree. We presume that the proof depicted in Volume 2 of the report isn't, in our judgment, adequate to help a determination for certain that the president disregarded the deterrent of equity resolutions. What's more, we accept that sure of the direct inspected by the special counsel proved unable, as an issue of regulation, support a deterrent charge considering the present situation. As needs be, were there no established obstruction, we would suggest, under the principles of federal prosecution, that you decline to start such an indictment. Norm Eisen, a notable Harvard-taught lawyer, previous U.S. envoy, senior individual in administration, learns at the Brookings Institution, and a CNN legitimate examiner refers to the lawful reminder as trash. No big surprise, a progression of judges have hammered Barr for deceitfulness regarding this, Eisen composes. It's trash. Any other individual would have been arraigned. Barr ought to be focused. Lawyer Andrew Weissman refers to the reminder as deceitful and a complete whitewash. He adds, note no conversation of Barr telling special counsel Mueller that he ought to go with the choice whether Trump deterred equity. Why? Since new Dodge reminder uncovers they figured Mueller report could be perused to say he impeded. So Barr SHD expressed the inverse. CNN senior legal analyst Elie Honig refers to the reminder as ass-covering. To recap, he composes, specifying these list items, Mueller flopped by declining to express an end, Barr openly contorted Mueller's discoveries, Dodge drafted this shaky, ass-covering update, Barr misdirected a government court about this false notice, festoon pursued for Barr's sake, and lost. Kayleigh McEnany, who filled in as White House press secretary under ex-President Donald Trump, is as yet fixating on Hillary Clinton. However, to pundits, it sure seems as though she's discussing her previous chief. Inquired as to whether Clinton was getting herself positioned for one more White House run with another book and TV show, McEnany said in remarks posted online by Mediate. McEnany added that she considers Clinton the surprisingly strong contender 2024 applicant. Regardless of McEnany's cases, Clinton called Trump to surrender hours after the 2016 political race. Trump himself said the call was exquisite. Clinton openly yielded the next morning, saying, "Please accept my apologies, we didn't win this political race," and adding that she trusted Trump will be an effective president for all Americans. Clinton has additionally over and over said she won't run once more, including as of late as June.